to you all. Our team, Nirmala Nexus. I am Aisha Anu.
Akshara Santosh.
Amalu Vijay. Asin K. HydroMute Smart Switch is our innovation. HydroMute Smart Switch is used for safety innovation in factory or industrial areas. So let's see more about our components.
The main components are microcontroller, MOSFET, Kepler diode and power supply.
The main components and its functions are microcontroller, system control and processing, MOSFET, environmental protection, power supply used as battery and Kepler diode circuit switching.
So let us show about our product.
When it detects water, the whole circuit gets cut, and it allows the worker safety in the water exposed factories. And when the moisture gets off, the current gets back. When it does not detect any water anymore, the current gets back on. This is the function of this project, and its name is HydroMute.
The functions of our project is we have used here green LED and red LED. So it will work on accidental times and remaining it will operate the system. So that's all about our project. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.